All right, team, 5 years ago, Excel Magic Trick 1646, we were on the cutting edge because dynamic spill array formulas just came out. And Bill Scissors and a couple of other teammates said, hey, how do we append 3 tables? Well, it was easy. Bam! But here we are in 2024, and all we have to do to append multiple tables is use VSTACK. 1, that's array 1, comma, 2, array 2, comma, 3, array 3, close parentheses and enter. Yep, that's it. We're so glad to be using Excel, Microsoft 365, that is, in 2024, as opposed to 5 years ago when this was cutting edge. Now, well, cutting edge isn't so hard anymore. All right, we'll see you next Excel Magic Trick.